Hi, my lovelies. Welcome again to my channel. So today I would like to discuss the Makari Skin Repairing and Clarifying Serum. This serum for me is a serum that has now replaced the 24 karat gold serum by Makari. I don't know what's happening. I don't know whether Makari will bring back the 24 karat gold serum, because that used to be my favorite. If you were using the Makari 24 karat gold serum and you miss it, this serum will be able to replace that for you until Makari decides to bring it back. I don't know. But let's talk about this serum because I've used it extensively and it's a really good serum, and I want to make you guys aware of it. I've been recommending this serum to many people. Before I talk to you about it, I always like to find out about your skin type and how sensitive your skin is before I make a recommendation. But I suppose this video will be able to help you to decide whether you want to use the Makari Skin Repairing and Clarifying Serum. So let's get into it. What does it actually do? This serum is a lightening serum, okay? And what it does is it lightens your hyperpigmentation. So if you have any marks, any dark spots from your pimples, or anything like that has caused hyperpigmentation on your skin, especially on your face. Just to point out that I don't only apply this serum on my face, I also apply the serum on my arms, my hands, and my legs. So like if I have any area where I am experiencing hyperpigmentation or that needs brightening, I would definitely use this serum. But remember that these areas are very large areas, and therefore the serum might finish quickly because it's only 40 ml and it's meant to be used on the face. So let's get back to your face. Make sure that you avoid applying around your neck or around your eyes. Please do not apply this serum in those areas, okay? So when should you apply this serum? This serum can only be used at night time, okay? And only 3 nights per week, not every single night. 3 nights per week is when you're allowed to use it. Remember, it contains glycolic acid. And also I must stress that when you're going outside in the sun during the day, although you're not wearing this serum, you must wear your sunscreen. Even when the sun is not out and you're outside, please protect your skin and wear your sunscreen. If you're sitting in the house by the window, please do wear your sunscreen. And remember that if this is a treatment serum, so even though you're not wearing it during the day and you're only wearing it at night, if you go out during the day and expose your face to the sun or to the environment, it's counterproductive. Your skin will never really get better because you're not protecting your skin. So yeah, please do so. And also don't forget to moisturize as well. Make sure that you wait for serum to sink in about 2 or 3 minutes into your skin, then you apply your moisturizer. I am 47 and my skin is so healthy thanks to moisturizing and hydrating. So it is important, even if you have oily skin, please still moisturize your skin, especially at night time, because that's when your skin is resting and rejuvenating and stuff like that. Yeah, this serum is super effective. I really like it, and I'm now used to using it. I used to like the 24 karat gold a lot, but since Makari hasn't brought it out, since it's been out of stock, this one is the one I've been using, and I totally recommend it. Obviously, if you experience any irritation, discontinue and quickly apply Vaseline on the area where you're experiencing irritation to calm your skin down and protect your skin, okay? So if you have any further questions about this serum, you know where to find me. Come to Instagram, and sometimes your questions sit in my request section. I don't have quick access to that section, but I do check from time to time, so don't worry, I will get to your question and answer you, okay? And don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well, and please do use my discount code. You can now use my discount code on the main Makari website, okay? My discount code is Jane15, and if you're in Europe and you go to the main Makari website, it will actually detect where you are. And then if you're in Europe, for example, it will ask you whether you want to go to the Europe shop. And if you click yes, you can still use my discount code there. If you're in the UK, go to TJ Beauty and shop your Makari there using my discount code Jane15. Okay, so yeah, I totally recommend this serum. And again, what I would say is to use it correctly, and also wear your sunscreen. Thank you so much. It's really lovely to be able to talk to you guys again. And yeah, I shall see you again soon. Love you lots. Bye.